Hi! In front of me is Nokia C32 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by going into settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Phone. Following that, click on the device name section and type in wherever you wish to. When you're ready to save your changes, hit OK in the pop-up and OK in the other one about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my Nokia has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!